We've actually installed over 1 million earth trusses now. And when you do something millions of times, it needs to be both easy and repeatable.
My name is Emma Tam. I'm a manager of mechanical design engineering at NX Power.
When you're trying to make an integrated system, you're trying to simplify. And so how you get from a structure that can withstand loads to something that also functions as a tracker, that's the space we operate in. For this product in particular, there's no downstream adjustment. And so we can get it to all line up. When you rack, it's that much easier. You don't have to be hammering things left, right, up, down. You don't have to deal with any of the fasteners associated with that as well. It's important to be in the field in order to solicit feedback from operators and to see with your own eyes what's working, what's not. So in the months leading up to this job, my engineers were always at our internal test site, working with our applications team, our machinery team, and we use all of that information to create better install tools and to iterate on the product itself. From a parts perspective, we are eliminating 16 components per pier. For a 100 megawatt job, that's like 400,000 touchers. Customer projects provide my team with a tangible goal. So things like loads, design constraints, and the timeline, it keeps my team really focused on getting a product out the door. The thing I am most proud of for this product is the rollout. For months, they were in the field, they were installing rows and rows and rows, taking QC data, designing tools. It takes so much work to get a product out the door, and we've done it really well.